Hi, my name's Brenna, and volunteering has really changed my life. It's got me out of a rut and I've got a lot of self-worth. It's given me a lot of confidence and my independence back from what I was relying on a lot of people to do a lot of things for me. But now I've got my confidence back and my independence to do things on my own and not have to rely on everybody else. I was in a relationship, it was going really well, trying to get pregnant, got pregnant, it was really good, everything was fab. Then the baby came and then it all went downhill really. I think it's because the baby came first. So yeah, it all went downhill. The relationship ended really badly. So I had to come down and sign on to job seekers, which I hated, coming down every week and having to sign on, and it was so annoying. But then one of the advisors mentioned the volunteer bureau and to go and see Gemma, so I said yes, obviously. I went to see her and she asked me about all my interests and all things like that, so we spoke about that, and it came up about Marie Curie. It's important to me because it's close to home and it's close to my heart, because my nan passed away in September. She liked to give to charities and all things like that, so this is my way of contributing towards what she wanted, and it's fun. And it gets me out of the house, and because I've got a baby, it's kind of gets me meeting new people and seeing different people every day. So yeah, it's rather than just staying at home and sitting on my phone or talking to my friends over the internet, I'd rather be out meeting people and doing stuff. It's got I've got more life ambition now. I'm going to uni, hopefully going to uni in the next couple of years to do microbiology. I want my son to be proud of me, and that's all come from volunteering because it gives me the confidence to do anything I wanted to really.